how to switch your personal account into business account on Instagram. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily switch your personal account into business account. If this video will be helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. So without wasting time, let's start video. Firstly, open the Instagram and then you will see profile icon at the bottom. Click on it and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and then click on setting, and here click on account options, and here click on switch to professional account, and then click on continue. Again continue it, and here select according to what best describe you. If you are blogger, click on blogger. If you are artist, click on artist. If you are writer, click on writer. So select it according to you and then click on done options. It will take a time. After that, it will ask you, are you a creator? If you are a creator, then click on creator. If you have a business, then click on this. So select it according to you and then click on next. Then click on OK. If you want to share login using account center, then click on continue. If you are not using, click on not. Here there are 6 steps to complete your professional account. So if you want to complete it after, click on cross option. If you want to complete it now, then click on this and then complete your profile.